yá mo kí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdìṣẹ́ àlàáfíà ni mo bá yín ọdẹ òdòbí yá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Mohbad tí mo ní kí ẹ jẹ́ ká pàdé ní part 2 bí bàbá Mohbad ṣe gba owó lọ́wọ́ Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ almost 21 million tí bàbá Mohbad dẹ̀ ṣẹnu fẹ́m tẹ́nibọ̀dì ò dẹ̀ gbọ́n kankan everybody rò pé Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ ò fún ọ lówó tẹ́ bá gbàgbé tó ń sọ pé kí ló mú ẹ sá ní ọ̀dọ̀ Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ bàbá yìí sọ pé tóun bá dé ọ̀dọ̀ Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ lénìí tóun bá kanlẹ̀kùn ẹ̀ ọwọ́ kan ló máa ṣí fóun kò ju ọjọ́ kejì àbí ọjọ́ kẹtẹ lọ ní Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ jáde tó ní bàbá Mohbad is ungrateful person tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé àṣẹ bàbá Mohbad gbowó lọ́wọ́ Bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ ọlọ́run àṣẹ wọn gbowó gbogbo àwọn èèyàn dèrò pé bóyá máa yóò fún wọn lówó ni àṣẹ wọn gba owó gidi ẹ wò ẹni mi kọ́lẹ̀ tí máa gbọ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn tó mú àṣírí yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin tó gbígbà àkọ́kọ́ lè léyìí tẹ́ kọ́ máa kọ́ sí fèjì ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ní Global TV ṣé rọwọ́ tẹ́ fi ń share yẹn tẹ́ fi ń subscribe yẹn ẹ ò ní fi gbọ́mọ sí lágbára Èdùmàrè owó lè wọn máa fi kà ẹ ṣe wá rówó ibi tẹ́ wá ń tọ́ bọ̀ nínú àpò yín tẹ́ mówó tẹ́ fi ń ra dátà tẹ́ fi ń wo program yìí àgbà náà ní wọ̀bẹ̀ lágbára Èdùmàrè ọwọ́ yẹn mà ní kọ̀sàlẹ̀ àpò ó ti ń rí náà kò rí náà mọ́ kò ní tọ́ sí yín lágbára Èdùmàrè ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí kí ẹ bá mi subscribe sí ẹlẹ́yìn ní Global TV mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fi ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section ó yá ẹ wá bá mi kà lọ kẹ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ wìrìwìrì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Mohbad.
Is it Titi Kusha? Wetin dem dey call all these people? Villages dem dey open camera and they are so Andy ọmọ Ọbásanjọ́ mi o màmá bá Ọbásanjọ́ o tani o mọ̀ pé àṣẹwó àwọn single mother ni wọ́n máa ń gbé kiri àmìlòt mábìnà ìlúmílà àtijọ́. One of those say Andy, I think that's a very good point you just raised there. You cannot say you are fighting for justice and you are behind the camera and nobody knows you. So tí wàhálà bá ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́la ń sìn ẹ ti lọ́gọ̀
wọ́n ti yá dànù.
TikTok yìí ẹ ti sá lọ. If you know you are only vacancy, you feel vacancy. Open your camera, man. That's not who we are dealing with, man. Our classmate. Our classmate. Careful. Other side. Ẹ rí pé mo ṣe ṣe nìyẹn tí wọ́n kí open camera. Abájí wọ́n kí open camera. Andy, mo sọ̀rọ̀ débi pé Flora mo lọ lo camera. Mo lo àkáǹtì mo lọ wo àkáǹtì kan gòkè. Wọ́n ní ohun chairman ni mo bọ̀ yìí. Àwọn òbí tún tàbí ṣá. Wọ́n tún kà ní ohun chairman ni yìí ṣe. Kò sí tó fẹ́ sá sí mọ́ lọ́kì ló wà lá. Bóyá you don't fit open your camera abeg. Shit is not well. Wà casted. O ti wà casted ní ìgbàdí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ àwọn tó kù lórí ìkànnì yìí. Àwọn tó mọ̀ pàtó dẹ̀ máa kó kábíyèsí àwọn tó fẹ́ tó máa kó wa ká máa àwọn tó kù. I support your motion, Andy. That's a very good point. Supervise, Jotiko. I think today, myself, Crush, Yeti, Comfy, all of us were on the platform. But we're having discussion. And I think it's only Vengeance I didn't go there. Every other person, I've sent them. I think it's only Vengeance. And nobody knows Vengeance. Vengeance, you know, when they face mental, we should go and pick one out of the day. You know. I didn't know you are welcome. You need to open your camera. I want to know you.
Andy, what is your problem?
It's not a problem now. It's a right. It's a true talk. It's not a true talk. Hold on, Chairman. Hold on, please. I didn't know me, Andy. Whenever you come to panel, you ask me a question or you want me to engage you. I'm not going to engage you.
Okay, sounds good.
You understand me? I'm not being rude because I do. Hold on, please. Before you go further, me, Andy, the rest of people can engage you, but me, Andy, I'm not going to engage you because you have been on this justice for Mohbad in the last 1 year. Thank you.
Well, I have put my pictures out there so many times, and you cannot tell me what to do with myself.
Can you imagine?
You can't tell me to open my camera. I think you're infringing on my space. You can't tell me to do that.
But what if that is our law on this page? Hold on, I didn't know you don't. Okay, Supervibe, please, you are the host. That's our bylaw on this page.
Yeah, man.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes, ma'am.
I respect your law. My pictures are it out there. I put it on my platform. I don't even have a platform, but I put it somewhere more than 3-4 times. And you can't talk. Well, anyway, I have the right leader of my camera now. And you can't force me to do that. Okay? And I think that's not okay. You know, it's things of people's place.
Yes, it's true. We don't infringe on people's space and privacy. But we still need to maintain and respect the laws, the rules and regulations of platforms.
Chairman, the man enforce. You go by force by fire. Oh, man, I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Because I don't show my face. I'm shaking around,
Well, I mean, anyways, I'm not going to speak about that. I don't think.
I want to go and check your page. I'm coming back. I'm going to check your page. I want to see.
Well, I've taken it down. You know it's there. If I put it there, you know what's the why. So, I've taken it off. No,
let us be sincere. Let's be sincere with ourselves. Now we are fighting a cause, okay? We are all fighting a cause.
Yeah.
Now, if we are all physical, like there's no online, we are on ground in Nigeria, we are all physical. Would you also still come out and be part of the movement physically? Would you do that?
Well, maybe you've even seen me more than 4 times and you never knew that it was me, Chairman. Maybe I'm still
how will I know? So, Timothy is on Gospel. How will I know if
he's here to read his letter to us? Let Anne read this letter. We can come back to this, please.
Yes, I didn't know I'm just coming back to you. You will still show that.
Back to that. No, don't worry.
Show it.
Anne read. Please, and nobody should interject to us. Let her read in peace. Thank you.
Okay. The letter is from Hill City Partners. Sorry, give me a minute. Let me get my daughter quiet. Okay. Hill City Partners. The date here is the 18th of November 2024. Dr. Ahmed Issa, the ordinary president, Human Rights Radio Station, Kaura District by Games Village, FCT Abuja. Dear sir, reminder of your promise to fund the second autopsy and toxicology test in the case of Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, also known as Mohbad. We are solicitors to the Aloba family of Ikorodu, our clients. We write to remind you of your kind promise to fund the second autopsy and toxicology test in the case of late Ilerioluwa, so just say Mohbad, upon our client's request. We are pleased to inform you that the autopsy and toxicology tests have been successfully conducted. Bless you. And the results are ready for presentation to the Honorable Coroner's Court. However, the report cannot be presented to the court at this time due to a restraining order issued by a higher court, which has temporarily halted the coroner's proceedings. As soon as the coroner's court proceedings resume, the reports will be submitted by the appropriate officer. Attached to this letter is the invoice for the autopsy, toxicology test, and the associated legal fees. On behalf of the Aloba family, it is instructive to extend their heartfelt appreciation to you for your unwavering support and dedication to ensuring justice is served in this matter. Your efforts have brought much needed hope to the family during this difficult time. Thank you once again for commitment and support. Yours faithfully for Hill City Partners, Taiwo Udumosu Barisa. It's stamped. And let me just show that, so for people who think it's fake and stuff, give me a minute. That is a letter, and you can see the stamp there, you can see the signature, you can see the stamp. So I'm going to flip to the next one. Ratel, date, please, date on the stamp and date of the letter itself, please. Don't mind.
18th November. 18th November.
I'm trying to zoom this. I don't know how much you can see. It has the Nigerian Bar Association stamp.
No, that's fine. That's their stamp.
And the signature, and then the date there. That's the date. Do you see it?
18th November.
18th November.
káwọ́
Sorry,
sókè.
when did Brekete receive the letter?
I should think he should have received it because it was taken by hand, and I think they also shared to his either WhatsApp or email as well. Both.
Okay, so if letter was dated 18th November, so let's say the recipient received it hopefully maybe within a week.
Plus minus.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I'll continue to the next one. Now, the next one has the pathologist account details there, so I'll cover that area once I'm showing it. But let me just read it first. Or let me just try and show you first, and then I'll, give me a minute. Okay. The current queen, that is the letter of the pathologist.
Okay, date please. Always have to mention the date.
Yeah, I will read it. I just wanted to show you first before I start reading, yeah?
Go.
Okay, now let me read it. Okay, so the date, the letter says Dr. Owam O. Eze. Do you see it? Owam O. Eze, JP. That's what it carries. And then let me see. It has all his, MSc, FW, all those medical, whatever. Chief Consultant, Forensic Pathologist, and Clinical Forensic Physician. The date on here, it has a letterhead, just so you see. So the date here is the 12th of July, 2024. So then it says Hill City Partners, Solicitors and Consultants, 12 Ajao Road. That's obviously the barrister's office in Nigeria, Awolowo Way, Ikeja, Lagos. Attention, Barrister Taiwo Odumosu, Emmanuel Oroko, Esquires. Okay, re-proposed offer as professional fee for the engagement of the medical re-investigation of the death of Ileroluwa Oladimeji Aloba Mobad. Your above letter dated 12th July 2024 refers. Following the request from the family representative during the conference call earlier today, I have exercised my prerogative in honor of that request by a downward review of my professional fee by 20%. Consequently, the professional fee stands at 16 million naira only. I'll show that for people who might doubt that. So, let me know. Sorry. Trying to cover his account details. 1 second. Right. Can you see it there? Lady Conch, let me know if you can see the figure. Let me try and zoom. Give me a sec. I'll zoom it.
It's blurred somehow.
You see it?
Yes, we have 16 million. Yes, thank you.
Okay.
16 million.
Now, furthermore, in deference to the second request from the family representative on payment modality, 10 million naira only will be paid forthwith, and the balance of 6 million naira only will be paid not later than the 19th July 2024. All payments shall be made to the following account, his name and all of that, and the account is First Bank of Nigeria.
So I am very, very sorry. With due respect, please.
Yes, ma'am.
To all my people on the panelists, please do not engage Adedoyin. Adedoyin is a distraction. She's from Wumiti. Please, please, please. That's the only thing I came up to do. Please, I am begging you. That girl is a distraction. She will always bring you back. We are on a serious discussion, at least to learn one or two things on this platform. But she will come. Please mark her. Chairman, everybody, I'm glad Mr. Andy knows her. I know Makonchi Queen knows her, but I think some people don't know her yet. Her name is Adedoyin. She's distraction. Thank you, everybody. I'm so sorry. Let me get down. Thank you. Because I'm watching okay.
Observation is noted. Mama T, no change question.
I checked you on there. Martin Shekotoba serious when you are not following book when you are watching. Come and be speaking nonsense. Take your impression of justice for mobile. These are intellectual people. They are very, very intelligent people here. Take your nonsense self out of here. Go and discuss with your family. Oloshi. Thank you. So I'm sorry, we are all learning. She will bring her dead self at 2 levels to come and interrupt intellectual people talking.
Okay, I'll read the paragraph 4 again. Furthermore, in deference to the second request from the family representative on payment modality, 10 million naira will be paid forthwith, and the balance of 6 million naira only will be paid no later than the 19th of July 2024. All payments shall be made to the following account. All payments shall be made to the following account. I won't call the account number, but the bank is First Bank of Nigeria, which is name. Now, number 5. Only when there is evidence of the initial payment will further consultations on this case proceed. In which case, access to any of the available documents as listed in paragraph 5 of my letter dated 3rd July 2024 will be required for the commencement of the review process preparatory to the second forensic autopsy. I'll go to number 6, paragraph 6. The rest of the outcome of the conference call on Thursday, 11th July 2024, on conditions of professional engagement in the medical re-investigation of the death of Ileroluwa Oladimeji Aloba, as enunciated in the letter on the subject matter dated 12th July 2024 remains valid. 7. Meanwhile, be assured that the highest professional care obtainable in the circumstance will be accorded to this independent expert review, and forensic autopsy, including the dignified management of the deceased person and respect for the family. Let me read that again. Sorry, I got distracted. Meanwhile, be assured that the highest professional care obtainable in the circumstance will be accorded to the independent expert review and forensic autopsy, including the dignified management of the deceased person and respect for the family. 8. I hereby await practical confirmation of the acceptance of this offer to trigger the preliminary action planned for this weekend on Saturday, 13th July 2024, as earlier discussed with your team and reiterated in the conference call of 12th July 2024 in the presence of the family representative known to you. Accept the consideration of my best regards, Owom Oeze, JP Forensic Pathologist. So that's for the pathologist. Now I will show it here that it's been signed. Give me a second. I'll show you that it's been signed. Sorry. I'm trying to turn the camera on.
Okay, and before you show that, thank you. I just want to ask you a question. Maybe you want to go back again. Thank you for that letter. But I've listened to the letter. But is there anywhere in that letter, maybe I missed it, where the pathologist or the inquest partners talked about the handling of the results, the submission of the results, or that the result will be presented to the coroner or something? Is there any part in all the things you have read, both letter 1 and letter 2, that talks about sending the results to the coroner directly?
Not really. Let me just read that paragraph again, which is on this page. This is the one that was sent to Ahmed Issa. So let me just read that again. So you see, it says, and I think that should be the second paragraph. We are pleased to inform you that the autopsy and toxicology tests have been successfully conducted, and the results are ready for presentation to the Honorable Coroner's Court. However, the report cannot be presented to the court at this time due to the restraining order issued by a higher court, which has temporarily halted the coroner's proceedings. As soon as the coroner's court proceedings resume, they will be submitted by the appropriate officer. Does that answer your question, Chairman?
So that is the inquest partner's letter to Berekete?
Yes.
but not doctor's letter to Egress.
No, because what they did, the letter from the doctor.
Yes, I get it.
They added all
I'm just
together.
trying to corroborate.
Yeah.
Exactly. So which means Egress wrote to the doctor to conduct the test and whatever, and the result is expected to be submitted to Egress.
3,000. No. So what happened to, by the best of my knowledge, there's a CTC they got from the coroner, right? Which I think I have a copy of that somewhere, which stated clearly what needs to be done and the results will come in. But what Hill City did, this law firm, they facilitated getting the pathologists, right? And they've spoken, came up negotiations and all of that, whatever you say, consultation with the family, right? But then this pathologist obviously has to go to the coroner inquest and present the result himself. Do you understand? But what this barrister did was to, because they were trying to get funds from Brekete, which they all agreed, he had to send this as well as this, the letter from the, all of that.
To show that it has been done or something.
Thank you. And also it's huge as well.
Yeah. So they've paid E-City, they've paid pathologists and everything. They now wrote in November as a reminder to your promise, sir.
Yeah, so the person who made the payment, the person who made the payment is a family representative, which was Muyiwa. Because the payment was made. Yeah.
Yes, it's been done and concluded in July.
Yes.
With public funds.
Obviously.
Now in November, you are now writing to Brekete, reminding.
Lagata is saying no. Lagata, please correct. Or what are you saying? No, let me know.
No, it's the letter we are reading. Nobody is whatever that is
Please,
contained.
can you make space for Lagata to come up? Maybe there's something I'm missing.
So in November, you now wrote a reminder to him to collect 16 million naira. Oh my days.
Basically, they had, by the time they were talking about this, what do you call it? Speaking to Brekete, they already had a GoFundMe, don't forget that, right? So my brain can't pick me up, but I know that as at the time when we were looking for pathologists and all of that, they had gotten that, and so, okay, Alex, you want to carry on?
Thank you, my sister. Before they go and start quoting you now, what happened was, when you were contacted Edumosu to help them find the pathologist, right? So once the pathology was found by Edumosu, the negotiation was between Muyiwa and Edumosu, Kuresi, and all of them. They negotiated with the pathologist, and they did not carry Edumosu along. Muyiwa now later confirmed to Edumosu that he has spoken to the pathologist and they have agreed on the price. So they had a meeting and they gave Edumosu the update after the negotiation with the pathologist. Easy, whatever. So the money was paid directly to the pathologist by Muyiwa. So what they did there was to just use Edumosu as their legal representative at that time to request for the pathologist and to request for the fund from Brekete. And like what Chairman said, from the GoFundMe, whatever that we contributed, they've already conducted that the public one. They copy and paste. And this is why I said that for us to have a clear clarification about this, the address in Spain that they put there that the test was conducted, let us bombard them the same way we bombarded NMS. So they should be able to tell us. We have been asking them for accountability. When they lied on Edumosu, Edumosu came on Arifa's live show to explain to people that all these lies were not what it was. Every invoices was being used as a receipt by Bukky Jesse and all the gullible followers, critical fools. So now, when they were asking Muyiwa for proper accountability, right? Please go and look at that day the accountability was done and see if any amount of surgery you're seeing now apart from blocks, cement, chemical. So, and that was the situation about the fund. You understand?
Of course, you're right.
Just play that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, Chairman, Lagata has very well.
The substance of this letter. Now, let me ask you. When did you get hold of this? When did you get hold of this letter?
I'm sorry, Chairman, I can't.
Okay, I said us once, maybe.
No, don't worry. It's irrelevant. I have to say, Chairman.
No. You know why I'm asking. I want the public to be able to know the time frame that you have had this information.
Don't worry. It's not important. I'm sorry. It's not.
Okay. So what is important here now is that all of us is possible. You know why? There is something we call materiality. No, there is something we call materiality, right? Materiality, hold on.
When Anne was being dragged for reading a letter from Barrister Odumosu, where was he, sir? Do you know what the story went through?
So because you know who go from me, Otupapa collectors you can now see why Berekete fled up when you saw this comment. When I was giving money,
were you there?
Where were you? I thought it was up to Ross. I didn't understand this situation.
And just to continue, Chairman, and like I said, you can correct as well from wrong.
And this is a follow-up letter.
Yeah, this is the fee note. This is the fee note of the barrister. Yes, I will take you back to the first letter to Brekete, and I just let me zoom it for you to see. Oh, sorry, give me a second. Okay, so the letter said here, it said attached to this letter. Let me zoom it, Chairman. I don't know if you can see. Attached to this letter.
Dama, if you are a moderator, please, this person called Good Points, please, at least help me just block this person. All the progress in your life, all the good things in your life, this is how it will be blocked. You will never see favor from any human being in this world. Go and ask your father. Go and ask your generation. Sorry,
Okay, attached to this letter, it says is the invoice of the autopsy, toxicology test, and the associated legal fees. So let me take you to the fee note. I want you to read out something there. Chairman Conch Queen, the fee note here, let me show you the date. It's the 5th of November 2024, right? So this is to Joseph Aloba. And then the description of the fee note says consultation with the forensic pathologist was 1.5. Engaging with hospitality homes and feeding arrangements for the pathologist and team is 500,000. Sorry, I said 1.5 before. I apologize. The professional fee they charged was 3 million. The total sum was 5 million naira. And this fee, which is for the Hill City Partners, was to be paid to the Hill City account. And you can see here it was signed.
So which means the total fee around toxicology, tech on forensic is 16.5. That's 21 million.
No, 21 million. Yes, 21.
21 million.
But just to make it clear, Chairman, hold on. To make it clear, as at the time when they wrote to Brekete, that was when this man barrister was having an issue with them. So to Brekete, that was when this man barrister was having an issue with them. So this 5 million was not paid to those.
Wow.
At all. Yeah, they did not pay him. Yeah, because
okay, maybe that's why Ojumosu was not asking for for 9 million before you can release the file.
Fair enough. This 5 million
Àṣírí ìgbà
was
yẹn.
paid, but the
Ẹ wo bó
16
ṣe ń tú.
million confirmed.
Bàbá Mohbad ò dẹ̀ jẹ́wọ́.
They refunded them that money.
Wow. Okay, so that's the 16 million that Berekete paid.
What about that report? You get that letter for the refund?
No, I don't have it here. Just confirm.
How do you know? How do you know Berekete report?
Lady Country, you know now, so I'll keep it there. You get it. I'll leave it there.
Alright, okay.
So Berekete will just credit
Ẹ wáyé Bàbá Mohbad lóde.
straight up and, credit them.
Baba went back.
Wow, for that day. Wow.
They didn't come up on the facts.
Okay. Anyway, so let's add 16 million to them.
Ó ga ọ́.
Chairman,
Alọ́ba.
I tell you that
Alọ́ba.
the total volume in access by is in essence of 200, and they say lie. It's okay. That whole country, it is well. Peanuts, those are peanuts that 8070 is referring to. So let's roll with it. Let's roll with it. And mind you, according to, I don't know who mentioned, there was another lady in US that they always send invoice to that pays. Every invoice is sent to this lady in the US. And from information I gathered, this lady will always pay as well, for whatever they want to do. Once they send the invoice.
Angela Woods.
Angela Woods.
Angela Wood is one that borrowed them $5,000 and got back $5 million.
Yeah, the first money that we should
Yá gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lólùfẹ́ justice for Mohbad ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Ṣé ẹ ti rí pé máa ń tàn pé ní Alọ́ba yìí? Ó ti parọ́ fún public jìnnà. Tí ẹ ò bá gbàgbé nígbà tí òun àti lọ́yẹ̀ Odùmọ́sù ń jà, tí lọ́yẹ̀ Odùmọ́sù sọ pé bàbá Mohbad jẹ òun ní 9 million, ibi tó ti wá lélẹ́yìí o. Ẹ ò bá ṣeré ṣe tú. Bàbá Mohbad lẹ́nu pé òun ò jẹ́ lówó, àṣòwò tó ń jọ fẹ́ scandal lélẹ́yìí. Àṣòwò tó ń jọ fẹ́ scandal lélẹ́yìí iṣẹ́ tí rí 21 million ní Berekete ló fún bàbá Mohbad lórí autopsy and toxicology. Ẹ ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ẹ ti rí pàbó ló já sí. Ẹ tún wá wo gbogbo owó tí public náà tún dá pàbó ni gbogbo ẹ̀ já sí. Ààrẹ jẹ ààrẹ òmìnira ẹ wá nínú òní bá àwọn èèyàn, inú máa bí àwọn èèyàn, ẹ wo báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí bàbá Mohbad, ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe ń fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Bàbá tí gbogbo wa ń pọ́n lé nígbà tọ́rọ̀ yìí kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀, gbogbo wa ń pọ́n wọn lé, gbogbo wa in fact à ń gbé wọn gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́. Ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe wá dẹni àbùkù báyìí, ẹ wo bọ́n ṣe wá dẹni tí ọmọ kékeré àgbàlagbà tó ń yọnu sí lára torí owó. Can you imagine? Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, mo tún bẹ̀ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV. Bó wá fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi fi èrò ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section. Kí lẹ̀yin rí sí ẹ fi èrò ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section. Ire o.